Well, today we are going to look at odds and probability, and you've seen or heard of them many times in your life, and you can see the examples that are on the screen right now. You have the odds on favorite. Chances are good that something's going to happen, and odds just means probability, and it's sometimes just written a little bit different. So here's a situation for you. There are 7 doors, and I've put them as little green boxes there, and you get to pick one. And this Alice contestant gets to choose and get what's behind the door, and one of them is a trip. 2 of them have $20 gift certificates. 3 are restaurant dinner certificates, and then there's one with no prize. So what are the odds of choosing the door with no prize? Well, there's one door with no prizes, and then how many are left, or out of the total? 6. So there's 6 that are not going to be, so 1 to 6, or you could talk about that as probability. Probability actually should be 1 to 7, shouldn't it? Because that'd be the total number. That the probability of choosing the one with no prize is 1 out of 7. And those two things really mean the same thing. Odds are generally written as 1 to 7 with the colon in between it. What's the probability of choosing the door with no prize? As I said, that's right there, and you can change that to a percent. And the odds of Alice winning a gift certificate, and let's assume that's the $20 gift certificate, well, that'd be 2 out of the 7. And so let's just go ahead and randomly, I don't remember where they are, so what are the chances of me winning a trip? Not good. I got 20 bucks instead, so I'll take it. Another example is this summer camp, and it looks like there was a survey here given to parents, and they were asked to vote for which activity they would want. And so we're going to estimate the odds in favor of a child choosing music class as their activity. You can see when you look at the totals that music class has the least number. So I would say it's 9, 2, and then I'd have to add them all up. How many people were there? So 20, 41, 61, 70, 104 people. So that would be the odds of that happening. Now, again, probability for me sometimes helps as well. Probability of picking music class is 9 out of 104. So as a percent, I would take my calculator out and go 9 divided by 104, and it's about 9%, roughly. So there's a 9% chance that a child would pick the music class above the other activities. So again, it's very similar to the previous section, so you're not going to have much trouble. This is the last part of chapter number 4. There's one definition, there's practice assignment for you to do, get the check done, get your review done, get your math on the job done, and you'll be ready to write the unit exam. Just make sure you ask questions when you have them and do a good quality of work, and I will help you whenever you need it. Talk to you again soon.